Welcome to the MST Academy section of the website. In here, we're going to quickly run through what's included in the MST Academy now. There's education here for traders of all levels, and there's over 125 hours worth of content here. So everything you would ever need to know about trading is covered within the Academy. We're going to go through each section briefly and just explain what's in there so you can understand what sort of education you can get within the Academy and whether or not it's right for you. So we'll start off with the sections within the Academy. It's broken down into 9 main sections. You can see in the left-hand side here, we have the sections listed. We've got the Trading 101, which is everything every trader needs to know. It's all the basics, the fundamentals you need to know about how markets work and why they move. We have an economic news scalping strategy section where I cover how to trade news events, specifically things like non-farm payroll, inflation numbers, those sorts of things. We have a prop trading to actually get paid section. This is how to actually pass and keep prop evaluations and actually get to those payout stages and evaluations. We look at how to run a prop firm evaluation and the strategies that you can use depending on the type that you're going to be trading. We've got the position trading bootcamp, which is my basic sort of bread and butter strategy. This is basically trading how the markets trade and how the banks and institutions trade on a daily basis. So I'm going to go through everything you need to know about position trading and swing trading within the bootcamp. We've got the strategy development and backtesting section. This explains everything you need to know about how to develop and build your own strategies and how to backtest them effectively using robustness testing, out of sample testing, and basically how to get the best out of MetaTrader's strategy tester and how to understand the results of backtesting to make sure your strategies are going to work in the future. We've got the reading price action section. This is over 10 hours of dedicated content to reading price action candlesticks, understanding what's going on inside the candlesticks, what the candlesticks are telling you, and basically how to use price action to scalp the markets on a daily basis. We've got specific trading strategy sections set up here. At the moment, there's around about 22 hours worth of content in here. I go through lots of different strategies that you can trade. All of these are tried and tested and have been used and work very, very well in all markets. However, this will be expanded on as we add more in the member streams, which are held on a weekly basis as well. We also have the special topic streams here. So these are areas that members have wanted to discuss in more detail, things like guides to MT4 and MT5, so that you get a full understanding of how the software works. We've got propulsion gaps in there, support resistance, market movement. There's all sorts of content in here which will keep your education topped up and areas that are very important for all traders to understand. So this will help you to advance your education in trading once you've covered all the main subjects. We then have the weekly members streams. These are streams which are held twice a week at least. And these are basically areas where we do live trading. We basically look at the markets, do analysis, and trade the strategies. So there's 125 hours plus content in here, which you can just absorb at your leisure and absorb at your own pace. The member streams are held every week, so you can come in and ask questions about every single video that you watch. If there's anything that you don't understand and you need clarification on, you can come into the members streams, which at the moment are held on Zoom, and you can ask those questions as well. So have a look through the content at your leisure, have a look and see what's in there and if it's of interest to you. And if it is, you can sign up on the website today and access all the content whenever you want it.